Welcome to Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV. Today, we are reviewing a movie titled Fẹlẹfẹlẹ Layé. It was produced in 2006. That title again is Fẹlẹfẹlẹ Layé, which means this world is a world that is so risky. It is full of warfare. In a world where destiny is shaped by rituals, tradition, and spiritual forces, one family finds themselves at the center of a mysterious storm. Twin children born into a household of deep spiritual heritage carry a presence that sparks both wonder and fear. Their lives and the lives of those around them are governed by ancient beliefs, where even the smallest step can awaken powerful consequences. Hoping for a better life, their parents make a life-changing decision to leave their homeland and start over in London. But what awaits them is far from peace. Instead, they stare into a whirlwind of unexplainable events, where the line between physical and spiritual is blurred. Meaning you cannot run from your trouble. Secrets unravel. Traditions are tested, and the price of leaving behind destiny becomes painfully clear. Who says you don't learn from all these movies? Yes, you do. You learn cultural stuff and many other stuff, and you learn to know how to live in this world of ours. This movie was produced in 2006. Fẹlẹfẹlẹ Layé is a powerful blend of cultural depth, family tension, and supernatural drama. This film reminds us, when you carry destination in your blood, when you carry destiny in your blood, there is no escaping it. It's a good movie to review. I wish I had the movie itself so I can play it. Have you see some section of the movie. I don't think I have it at all. We just have the cover. But if I ever find it, I'll be more than happy to share it. Life is not from fear, it is warfare. There is a great lesson in this movie. I hope somebody has watched it before and they can tell us what actually happened. Thanks for watching Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV, where the past comes alive, one story at a time. See you next time.